World's most terrifying bird. Shoe-bill stork. They live in marshes in Sudan, Rwanda, Uganda, and Zambia. They live in areas where humans find hard to reach. Shoe-bills are vicious hunters. Shoe-bill eat fish, such as tilapia, catfish and other forms of tiny fish. Shoe-bill stork are brave, even attacking crocodiles. Shoe-bill stork stand 3.5 to 5 feet tall and weigh 12 pounds. Shoe-bill stork have long life, from 25 to 35 years. They use their beaks like water bottles. Shoe-bill chatter with their beaks. Shoe-bill storks are masters of patience. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel for more informative videos.